In today's hopefully exciting instalment of our fun with vacuum cleaners, we have a very tidy box. I don't think I've seen a box this well wrapped before. Ooh, the ice cream man is here, but there's no time for ice cream. We have vacuums to unpack, so I'm going to take off this pallet wrap, cut the video, and we'll come back and see what is inside this box. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? The wrapping of my presents isn't this good, let alone the wrapping up of this Hoover. Oh, you don't want to see that because that's got my address on it. I think, no, it doesn't have my address. Yes, it does have my address on it. So yeah, it's been boxed up and then wrapped up on the outside, which is certainly something that I only ever do if the box is original, but I don't think this box is original. Don't even fully know what the box is for. It's for something from Schneider. It's a box for an old television. Wow. Crikey, this is a bit old. I would imagine, actually, quite sadly, not sadly, it's sad for me, but a lot of my viewers probably don't never see RT television. Oh my goodness, I haven't done this before. Just why? I can understand wrapping up the box if it's the original box. I just always do that. But quite honestly, this is an old television. Look, would have been £89.87 at Asda with a three-year guarantee. Wow, how times goes. Yes, CRT TVs were worth a lot of money at one point. I remember them being £600, the same as 4K TVs are now. Although hopefully there's not a television in here. Let's have a look. I'm going to be a little bit careful to keep the packaging here because obviously I've got to post this off to its owner at some point, and ding dong. The first thing that I see is actually a pattern thing of bags. You can tell that because obviously all names and numbers used are for reference only, which is what they do because obviously they're not allowed to say what it is. Well, the first thing that strikes me is, look, it's an instruction manual. I don't think I've had an actual Constellation instruction manual. 867A. It's a bit delicate, but that's all there really is to it. What else do we have? Well, randomly, we have two sheets of the material that makes up the pre-motor filters, and then two, well, one's not even for a Constellation, but one is ripped off from a bag covers, which is a little bit odd. I'm not entirely sure I'll need to use any of this, but we'll keep it anyway for now, and I'll keep the instructions even more separate. Right, what's in here? Aha, we have, oh ho, we have a very cracked handle. That is scrap. Bit of a shame. It might glue. We'll have to see. Oh, well, now I just want to open up all of these in case there's something in them. Well, we have a hose. Oh, good. We have a hose with a working doobie on it. Pip. Not bad. Very clean. Very tidy. Oh, I can feel a wand. Yeah, there's one wand. There's two wands. Not bad. Not bad. I don't know what this comes with, I'll be completely honest. So this is all new for me. Right, that's definitely the vacuum cleaner. Oh, a little bit of a, oh gosh, little bit of a sneak peek there. We'll put that to one side because I've seen some other stuff. We have, ooh, it's upside down for reasons I don't quite know. I don't think I can move it until I get it wet. So we'll have to do that later. But there's the one style of dusting brush. Here's the other style. Very good. And a crevice tool as well. So no floor tool as of yet. So let's put this back in the box because I need to keep the box to post it out to its owner. And we shall have a look at this, which is in a colour that we've not had before. We've had the 867 in green. What a feeling this is going to be another fairly late one. But, that's not bad. That's not in horrific condition at all, is it? We've seen worse than that. It is a flipping good polish, but there is very little rust on it at all. It wasn't clipped down, but I don't think that's a huge problem. We have a pattern bag. And we have the filter, but look, it's got a hole in it, so that would probably mean that yes, we do need those other bags. However, what it doesn't have is the sealing ring around here, which is a bit of a problem because I don't actually have a spare, so we probably can't go vacuuming with it. I know the owner who has it, this is the same guy that we've done a lot of constellations for, so he'll have machines that I fitted a HEPA flow to that we might fit a HEPA flow to this. I don't actually know. We probably will, because that will then save us having to faff around with the rubber sealing ring. Right, we'll clip that down. I'm not going to put the handle on because that needs gluing first before we do anything with it. So it's going to stay like this. Let's unwind the cable, which upon the end of it we have a Electra plug. Very nice Electra. Looks very similar to the Volexes. It's probably based off of them as well, I would imagine. Let's unwind the cable, which may or may not be original. It's not a fluted cable, but it's certainly a good cable nonetheless. Aha! Here is the ratings plate. Give you a shot of it, and then I can see it's an 0867 1978, I would imagine. Not bad. So it is in very good condition. Although I do see that the rim is bent. How bent? I don't know. If I just pull this extension lead just down here, that's not running terribly nicely. Oh, you poor thing. Yeah, that is an unhealthy constellation. Though nothing, I think, a good motor rebuild won't solve. And again, I do have the trashed pink one from however many months ago that was now in storage, although I don't think we'll need it. I think this will survive. So there's no floor tool, and if you've watched me for long enough, you know that's not actually the worst thing in the world. There we go, look. Oh no, oh sod it, I've poken the pip off of it. That's how you break the pip off, folks. Bugger. Ooh, that's, I'll say slightly annoying. It's probably not horrific because I know that the guy that's got this has about 10 of these. So I'll tell him what I've done. Slap myself on the wrist. Might even be able to glue it up and then he can have it as a sort of spare. But who knows? That's not the main issue with that. But everything else is okay. It's, yeah, I'm going to put that there but not fit it. It's complete-ish enough. Oh yeah, and the manual, look. Got its original instruction manual. That's worth it. Oh, there you go. Look, it would have had the quite awful flip over all dual purpose nozzle anyway, so I'm really not that upset that we don't have that, because yeah, it's not nice anyway. And yeah, that's very tiny paintwork wise. That's going to come up really well. Hopefully mechanically we can sort it out as well. So there we go, really. One Hoover Constellation. I want to call it Sand Glow, but I don't know if that's because that's the British Leyland name for this colour. The Marina and the Maxi were this sort of colour, and I know BL called it Sand Glow. I don't actually know what Hoover called it. I'll be honest, it's not orange, but it's certainly very nice indeed. Yeah, so there we go. Quick unboxing before. Hopefully by the time we see the after, we could use it a bit more without the motor running quite slow. Need to have a look at that. But until then, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, and I and this Hoover Constellation will see you soon. Bye bye.